Alright, so Eddie screwed everything up again.
So this is a part 3.
Part 3 video because of this little dude right here. So, we hung one up at that lamppost back there. We hung one up by the park. We hung one up by the roundabout. And we hung one up by the lamppost by our house. And we hung one up by one of the street signs. And we still have lots more to hang up.
We have so many. We should put one up at the park. At the better park.
But also
At the second park, but better than the one back.
But we should also put one up at the stop sign too.
Yeah. We can't do it at the school park though.
Yes, we can. No. Yes, we can.
No, we can't.
Yes, we can.
No, we can't.
Who says who?
Ava, it's illegal to put stuff up on school grounds unless it's the school district doing it.
Okay, mister.
And I'm not getting arrested today.
You're not old
I'm not going to juvie today.
Alright, so we are heading towards the park. We hung up like 10 signs by now. Probably less than that, but whatever. So probably we're going to hang up a few more in some other places.
We should hang up one at this corner.
It's okay, Eddie. I know where I'm going to hang them up. Hello, puppy dog.
Are you that Australian shepherd?
No,
Shepherd.
no, that one's the husky, Eddie.
Yeah. Oh, yeah. What am I saying? Australian shepherd.
I don't think there's such thing.
There is.
Oh. But that was the husky.
I know my dog breeds better than you.
So we're going to put one up on that one-way sign.
Uno whale?
Yeah. Sure, if that's what you want to call it.
I don't know. One way.
So, it's a beautiful day.
It is.
It's gonna get warmer though, hopefully.
Yeah, but I like it just like this in the morning. I keep on trying to look down at my watch, but I keep on remembering I have no watch.
Well,
I have to put my watch on this morning.
that's not my fault.
I hate when I forget to put my watch on.
Alright, so we are at the sign. We're gonna put another poster. Alright, so hold on. Oh.
Okay, hold on.
It's paused.
Okay. It is not.
Yes, it is. Yes, it is. No, it's not.
You want me to pause it?
No, it's fine.
Okay. So, anyways. I've never noticed how big that school was.
Really?
Nope. It's huge. Now I want to go there, but I don't.
Yeah, we haven't been to that park in like 10 years. And we went there the other day and I forgot how fun it was.
Yeah, I was the king the whole time.
And
Woo!
we had the coolest spider web ever.
I shouldn't be on this. It's illegal to park your car on a fire hydrant.
Oh
so
my
it's
God, Eddie, stop talking about illegal stuff.
It is.
Hey!
So now
Now we're gonna go to the lamp posts. I can't believe you forgot Pokemon, Eddie.
Oh, and it's double candy. Fudge.
It's okay, we can get Pokemons when we
I know.
go to other places.
So
We're at the lamp post. Oh, no, I think we were supposed to go over there.
okay.
No, this one's fine. It's like it's closer to the park. No, like, well, they can't come alone. Alright, so we're gonna hang one up right here. So we hung it up.
Oh shoot.
Now we're gonna go.
The one on the caterpillar. I'm kidding.
It's a good idea, actually, but no. So now we're gonna go over here to the picnic benches.
We're probably gonna get lost doing this, and then we're gonna have to climb people's fences to get home.
No, we'll just call Grandma.
I have terrible memory. I'm the one that takes us to the park all the time.
Alright, so I think we should hang it up right here so like the people at the picnics can like see it. Come here! What, do you think I could just make those posters magically pop into my hand? Okay, so we are heading back down to the roundabout. You know, if I don't feel that sad when I'm talking to you peeps, because like on Wednesday we went to the animal shelter that was by our house to look for our kitty, and he wasn't there. And then we spent like 10 minutes in the car, well at least I spent like 10 minutes in the car crying because it was sad. But the weird thing is that they had roosters at that animal shelter. It's kind of odd, but like whatever. Yeah, so like I said, my cat's technically been gone for 5 days now.
6. Today is
Oh yeah, 6 days now.
no, today is what?
Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. 6 days.
Hold on, so it's the 12th?
Yeah. No, tomorrow's the 12th. Today's the 11th.
So it's 5 days.
Yeah, sure, whatever you want to think.
I have no clue. Our cat tries to stay in the houses and stuff because that's where most bushes are.
Yeah, he's like a very stealth
He's a cat named
cat. Yeah,
He's a cat.
pretty much.
Ava.
What?
Oh my god.
I'm sorry, Eddie.
You're retarded.
I'm not retarded.
Yes, you are.
No, I'm not.
I've never been up here. That lamppost.
Never. We've never been up to this part of the neighborhood. See, like, they should have sidewalks this big all the time, because when me, Corey, and Ella try to, like, walk on the sidewalks on Wednesday, we're always, like, pushing each other off.
Yeah.
So we're going to go to put something on this lamppost. Huh. This is actually really fun.
But when it's just you and Corey, you guys can walk. Wait, have we introduced Corey into our...
No. I don't think we've introduced Ella either.
No, we haven't.
No, we haven't. I didn't upload that video.
Oh.
Nope. Alright, so we are at the lamppost. Lamppost. You know, it just sounds better if I say lamppost.
Ava,
Hold on.
get the lamppost. No.
Do you think we're gonna get lost?
No.
No?
I already said no.
No, you didn't.
Yes, I did. Yeah, I'd take this rock and throw it at them.
Hi.
And keep this rock with me.
So, I hope you guys are having an awesome day. Why is there hay over there?
Because people just like separation. Probably Texans right there.
That's kind of odd, but like,
Texans
whatever.
probably live right there. And the cowboys.
Yeehaw.
Cowboys, I tell you. Cowboys.
Maybe they have a horse in their backyard like that one dude.
Yeah.
Because where we used to live, there was a dude with a horse in his backyard.
Wait, where was that? Walk. You can't see it. Just walk. You can't see a thing.
Let's see this one.
Oh, this is why they have hay. Okay.
Why?
It's to show, I don't know. Ooh! Wait, what the heck?
Alright, so we're stop it.
It's not working.
It's okay, so we're gonna alright, so we are gonna go straight and then we're gonna turn into that next street, okay, Eddie?
Hold up.
Like,
I just want to go back.
we're not. We still have posters to hang.
I think we can spread the word just like this.
No, Eddie.
After we get up there, we're going back.
No, we're not.
Oh my god!
Do you want to find our cat or not, Eddie?
Our cat is probably dead.
So you don't care about him?
I do.
Then, like, we need to do this. So, like, yeah.
We should have hung these up after we looked for the cat in the swamp area. Cause
He's been gone. No, Eddie, like, if he was in the swamp area, he would have come home by now.
someone brought him in or he's dead.
So we're gonna go through this neighborhood, okay?
Yeah, it comes out the other way.
Alright, so we're at the next lamp post. Yeah. It's 9:29.
9 what?
29.
Oh, wow. It's only been 20 minutes since we checked last.
So, yeah. That's what's going on. We're just walking, getting to know the neighborhood a little